Hey guys, Dr. Atkin here. Just wanted to show you how to use these posture weights. Posture weights are awesome because it basically uses weights on a vibration plate to put you in the perfect posture and to strengthen those postural muscles that get weak over time. So in this email, you're gonna have a PDF of this right here that's gonna show you exactly what you need. So for example, as you can see here, it's gonna tell you about the shoulder weights, whether you need it on your right shoulder, your left shoulder, how many pounds in the front, how many pounds in the back. And so what you're gonna do is always do your shoulder weight before your head weights. And so as you can see here, you've got a right front and a right back. And then if you need it on the left shoulder, you actually just flip it inside out, and that just allows you to kind of have a left front and a left back just based on the way that these are oriented. So Velcro, we have a Velcro pad here, Velcro on the back of these. This is very strong Velcro, so don't worry about it falling off. You can see I need 6 pounds on the front, so all you need to do is touch that Velcro right to it, and believe me, it ain't going anywhere. And so we're gonna go 6 in the front, we're gonna go 4 in the back, and so you're just gonna touch those right on there. And then the little cutout in the shoulder, that's what's gonna go right over your right shoulder. So you're gonna put it right through. You're gonna hang that on there. You're gonna grab this really long strap in the back there. And what you're gonna do is you're gonna clip it right in, snug it up nice and tight so you feel like you're in a good position there. Now, for your head weights, as you look at your form here, you can see there's 4 little places to place weights. The weights are just placed right on the head bar there, and it's oriented in this way. So where it goes 2, 2, 1, we're gonna go 2, 2, and then 1 all the way on that left side. Now it's designed to be in balance, so right here goes right down the center of your head. So what you're gonna do for this one is you're not gonna use the Velcro for this one. So I'm gonna go 2 pounds right in here. You see it slides, kind of slide it right down to the bottom there. Obviously the 2 pounders are longer because they're twice as heavy. And then we're gonna have 1, and it's gonna be more so on the left side of my head to take away some of that head tilt. So we're gonna have that set up. Now, there's a clean box of headbands, and then this is where we're gonna put the laundry. This protects our equipment from getting makeup and sweat on it so that we're not passing our sweat around to each other. It protects you and it protects my equipment. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the headband on, snug it right down to your eyebrow line. Now you can see we're not gonna be having any issues with that. Then I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna place it right on my forehead, and then I'm gonna slide the back down. If you find you need a different size, then take it off and adjust it while it's down there rather than on there. So you can see, now we've got that nice and snug, and it's gonna allow me, it's gonna force my head back so that it can fix that forward head posture that we have. Some of you may need hip weights. We're not gonna show that on the video here because the majority of people are just gonna need the head and shoulder weights. So once you're all set up, you're gonna come right on over here. There's a vibration level on your sheet. Most people will be somewhere around 30 vibration. That's pretty common. And so what you're gonna do is you're gonna set that at 30, and you're gonna be doing this for 5 minutes. So just click the M button 5 times, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna stand on up, and you're gonna start it. You're gonna feel it vibrating all the way through your spine up into your head. If you wanna kind of tweak it up or down a little bit, because you like a different level just a little bit better, then go ahead, don't hesitate to do it. But you'll be within 5 levels of what that recommendation is. As you're standing on here, you want to maintain perfect posture on your head straight ahead, and you just stand there in great posture. It's better not to hold the handlebars, but if you don't feel, if you feel like you're kind of a little wobbly, then if that makes you feel better, then please do that. You can be stretching your calves. That's what these are designed for. So even if you spend a minute or two just kind of working on stretching your calves, that's good. Every time you're in here, it's really good for your lower back. Other times, you can draw your belly button into your back. You can tighten up your butt cheeks there. Either way, anytime you're flexing a muscle on a vibration plate, it makes that muscle even stronger. So that's where when your 5 minutes are off, that thing will beep, you'll hit the clear button, you'll turn this off, and then that's it. You'll take the head weights off. Just leave the weights inside this headpiece because a lot of people are going to be using a similar level of weight. So just set that right there. The headband goes into the dirty bin place here for the shoulder ones. Go ahead and pull these off and just kind of stack things up and leave it nice and clean and ready for that next person. You'll see as you unplug it here, just be careful that you don't let that slip off and fall to the ground. Take these off. You can see there's a really long strap here, and so just kind of wind that right around, have that ready and sitting for the next person. You're done with your visit and ready to move on.